So write the first five terms of each of the following sequences whose nth terms are. First example, n is equal to n into n plus 2n. Therefore, first one here put n equal to 1 here. a1 is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1 into 3 here is equal to 3. Then a2 is equal to put n equal to 2 here. So 2 into bracket 2 plus 2, that is equal to 2 into 2 becomes 4. Then 2 4s are 8 here is equal to 8. Then a3 is equal to put n equal to 3 here. Okay, so 3 into bracket 3 plus 2 here. Therefore 3 into 3 plus 2 becomes 5. Then 5 3s are 15 here. Then a4 is equal to 4 into 4 plus 2. 4 into bracket 4 plus 2 here. Therefore 4 into 6 6 4s are 24 here. Then a5 is equal to 5 into bracket 5 plus 2 here. Therefore 5 into 5 plus 2 becomes 7. 7 5s are 35. Therefore, so 3, comma 8, then 15, 24, 35 are first 5 terms. First 5 terms of the sequence. First 5 terms of the sequence here. So this is the solution here. Similarly, so second example here. Put n equal to 1 here. So 1 divided by 1 plus 1 here, it gives 1 upon 2. a2 is equal to, so put n equal to 2 here. So 2 divided by 2 plus 1, so 2 divided by 3 here. Then a3 is equal to 3 divided by 3 plus 1 here, 3 divided by 4. Then a4 is equal to 4 divided by 4 plus 1, so it gives 4 divided by 5 here. Hence a5 is equal to 5 divided by 5 plus 1, so 5 divided by 6 here. Therefore 1 divided by 2 here, then 2 divided by 3, then 3 divided by 4, then 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 6 are first 5 terms. First 5 terms of the sequence here. Okay. Similarly, third example here. So third one, a1 is equal to 2 raised to 1 here. 2 raised to 1 is 2. Then a2 is equal to 2 raised to 2 here. 2 raised to 2 is 4. Then a3, 2 raised to 3 is 8. Then a4, 2 raised to 4 is 16 here. Hence a5, 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32 here. Hence 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32 are first 5 terms of the sequence here. First 5 terms of the sequence. So fourth example here, an equal to 2n minus 3 divided by 6 here. Okay, so take your solution. So a1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by 6 here. Put n value 1 here. Yes, so this equal to 2 into 1 becomes 2 minus 3 divided by 6 here. 2 minus 3 gives minus 1 here, minus 1 divided by 6. Then a2 here, put n is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 minus 3 divided by 6 here. So this equal to 2 into 2 becomes 4 minus 3 divided by 6. 4 minus 3 becomes 1 here. So 1 divided by 6. Then a3 is equal to, put n value 3. So 2 into 3 minus of 3 divided by 6. So this equal to 2 3s are 6 here minus of 3 divided by 6 here. 3 2s are 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 becomes 3 here. 3 by 6 can cancel here. 3 1s are 3 2s are cancels here. 1 divided by 2. Then a4 is equal to, put n value 4 here. So 2 into 4 minus 3 divided by 6 here. Then 4 2s are 8 minus 3 divided by 6 here. Then 8 minus 3 becomes 5. So 5 divided by 6 here. Then a5, put n is equal to 5 here. So 2 into 5 minus of 3 divided by 6 here. Then 5 2s are 10 minus 3 by 6. 10 minus 3 becomes 7 here. So 7 divided by 6 here. Yes, minus 1 upon 6 here. Then plus 1 upon 6. Then 1 divided by 2. Next 5 by 6 here. So 5 divided by 6. Then 7 upon 6. Or first 5 terms. First 5 terms of the sequence here. First 5 terms of the sequence. So fifth example here, n is equal to minus 1 raised to n minus 1 into 5 raised to n plus 1 here. Hence a1 is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 minus 1 here into 5 raised to 1 plus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 minus 1 is 0 here. Then 5 into 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here. Okay. And minus 1 raised to 0. You know, a raised to 0 is always 1 here. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 0 is 1. And 5 square is 25. Okay, 5 into 5 becomes 25. So 1 into 25 is 25. Okay. Next a2. a2 is equal to, put n value to here. So minus 1 raised to 2 minus 1 into 5 raised to 2 plus 1 here. So therefore this equal to minus 1 raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 here into 5 raised to 2 plus 1 becomes 3 here. Okay. Then minus 1 raised to 1 is minus 1 itself here. So minus 1 into 5 cube is 125. 5 into 5 into 5, 125. So minus 1 into 125 is minus of 125. Next a3. Put n value 3 here. minus 1 raised to 3 minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 plus 1 here. So therefore this equal to minus 1 raised to 3 minus 1 becomes 2 here. 5 raised to 3 plus 1 becomes 4 here. Okay. Therefore this is equal to minus 1 square is a plus 1 here. Minus becomes a plus here. Minus 1 whole square is a plus 1. 5 into 4 is a 625. Okay. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. 4 times here. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 to 5 becomes 625. So therefore this is equal to 625. Then A4 is equal to, put n value 4 here. So minus 1 raised to 4 minus 1 into 5 raised to 4 plus 1 here. Okay. So this is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 minus 1 becomes 3. Then 5 raised to 4 plus 1 is 5. So minus 1 raised to 3 becomes a minus 1 here because 3 odd number. 3 is a odd number here. So therefore minus keep as this minus 1 only into 5 raised to 5 here. You know 5 raised to 4 is a 625. Again multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 2s are 10 plus 2 becomes 12. 6 5s are 25. Sorry, 6 5s are 30 plus 1 is 31 here. Therefore 3125 minus of 3125. Okay, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 becomes 12. So 12 here, 32 and 1 there. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 becomes 31. 3125. Then A5 is equal to, again put n value 5 here. Minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1. So 5 raised to, so 5 plus 1 here. So minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 is 4 here. And 5 raised to 5 plus 1 becomes 6. Minus 1 raised to 4 here. 4 is even number. Yes, minus becomes a plus 1 here. So 1 into 5 raised to 6 here. So 5 raised to 5 is this one here. 5 raised to 5. 3 is 125. 5 raised to 6 means multiply 5 here. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 2s are 10 plus 2 becomes 12 here. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 3s are 15 here. So 15,625. So 15,625. Okay, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 becomes 12 here. So write 1 here, 2 here. Then 5 1s are 5 plus 1 becomes 6. 5 3s are 15 here. Okay. Therefore, 5 into 6 is 15,625. So therefore this is equal to 15,625. This is the value of A5 here. Therefore A1 is 25. Therefore 25. A2 is a minus 125. Minus of 125. A3 is a 625. So 625. Then A4 is a minus 3125. Minus of 3125. And A5 is a 15,625. Or first 5 terms of the sequence here. First 5 terms of the sequence. Okay. So sixth example here. So sixth one, put n value 1, 2, 3 and so on here. Answer A1 is equal to 1 into 1 square plus 5 divided by 4 here. So 1 into this means just leave that 1 here. Write the direct 1 square. 1 square is 1 plus 5 divided by 4 here. 5 plus 1 becomes 6 divided by 4. 2 3s are 2 2s are. So 3 divided by 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 3 by 2 here. So this is a A1 here. Next A2 is equal to, put n is equal to 2 here. Okay, so 2 into, so 2 square plus 5 divided by 4 is divided by 4. You can cancel here, 2 ones are 2 2s are cancels here, and here 2 squares are 4 plus 5 divided by 2 here, and 5 plus 4 becomes 9 here, so 9 divided by 2. So this is A2 here. Then A3 is equal to 3 into, so 3 square plus 5 divided by 4 here. Yes, so this is equal to 3 into, so 3 squares are 9 here plus 5 divided by 4. Okay, so write 3 as it is here. 3 squares are 9 here plus 5 divided by 4. Yes, so this is equal to 3 into 3, 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is 14. So 14 divided by 4 here. Okay, 9 plus 5 becomes 14 divided by 4. You can cancel here. 2 sevens are 2 twos are here. 7 threes are 21. 21 divided by 2 here. So A3 is equal to 21 divided by 2. Next A4 is equal to, put n value 4 here. So 4 into 4 square plus 5 divided by 4 here. Okay. Then this 4 and this 4 get cancels here. 4 square is 16. So 16 plus 5. So 16 plus 5 becomes 21 here. Okay, 16 plus 5 is 21. This is the fourth term here. Next A5. A5 is equal to 5 into 5 square plus 5 divided by 4 here. Put n value 5 here. Therefore, this is equal to 5, keep as is here. 5 square is 25 plus 5 divided by 4 here. Okay. Then 25 plus 5 becomes 30 here. 5 into 30 divided by 4. Okay, 25 plus 5 becomes 30 divided by 4 here. Again, you can cancel here. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 here. 2 5s are 10. Means 2 15s are. Okay. Therefore, 15 of 5s are 75. So 75 divided by 5. Therefore, first term is 3 by 10. Therefore, 3 divided by 2. Second term is 9 upon 2. So 9 divided by 2. Third term is 21 upon 2. 21 divided by 2 here. Next one is 21. 21 and the fifth term is 75 divided by 2, or first 5 terms. First 5 terms of the sequence here. First 5 terms of the sequence.